In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the menu in Google Docs to create a two-column document. This is a great feature when you want to format newsletters, brochures, or any document that benefits from a more structured layout. Let's dive into it step by step so you can transform your standard document into a two-column masterpiece. First, make sure you've opened your Google Docs file. This can be any document that you're working on, or a new one where you plan to utilize a split-column format. Having the document you wish to edit ready will help you seamlessly follow along with the process. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top menu of your Google Doc. Here you'll see a tab labeled Format. Click on Format to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is where you can customize the style and arrangement of your text on the page, including the margin settings, alignment, line spacing, and much more. In the list of options under Format, you'll find Columns. Click on Columns to explore how your text can be distributed across the page. At this point, Google Docs offers various column styles to choose from, so you're not just limited to a single column format. Now, to achieve a two-column layout, select the two-column icon that appears. It's typically represented by an image showing two parallel rectangular blocks, which visually indicates how your text will be divided on the page. By clicking this icon, you're instructing Google Docs to rearrange your text into two separate sections on the same page. After selecting the two-column option, you'll see your document transform. Your content will now be split into two columns, creating an effect often used in newspapers or other formal publications. This layout not only organizes your information effectively, but can also make your document more visually appealing and easier to read. It's worth noting that you can return to the Columns feature at any time to modify your setup. If two columns aren't quite right, you can experiment with different configurations or settings to find one that suits your needs better. This amazing customization capability allows you to maintain full control over the presentation of your document layout. So, now that you know how to turn a plain document into a more dynamic two-column layout in Google Docs, take some time to experiment with this feature. You may just find that it enhances the way you convey information, adding clarity and style to your work. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your document formatting in the future.